In this video, we'll show you how to post a video on Facebook using the mobile app. This method works on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Now, go to your home feed, your profile, or your Facebook page, depending on where you want to upload the video. Tap on Create Post. Next, tap on Photos/Video. Choose the video you want to upload from your phone's gallery. Once your video is selected, you can write a caption or description for your post. This is a great place to add a short title, hashtags, or a message for your audience. You can also tag friends, add a location, choose who can see your video: public, friends, or only me. When everything looks good, tap Post. Facebook will now upload your video. The upload time depends on your internet speed and the size of the video. Once the upload is complete, your video will be live on Facebook and visible to your selected audience. And that's how you post a video on Facebook using the mobile app. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Facebook and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.